So it is only fair for him and his career's progression to release him. So you don't hold a player's career hostage. Can you imagine keeping the player at the team because he's got a 3-year contract or 4-year contract, but knowing very well that this player will not play under the current coach and the model and all of that? So we must say kudos to Orlando Pirates management for that. When you also look at the fact that Orlando Pirates have just recently announced the signing of a very good number 10, Andre de Jong from Stellenbosch. There, that tells you one thing. It tells you that Orlando Pirates are looking for a different profile of a number 10 compared to what Mxolo Gwaiba can provide. And it also talks about the limitation in terms of the game time. It means